unsung hero to the HPS network. It's rather incredible, and I pinch myself all the time, that we have the luck, the blessing, the treasure of having Dr. Seward work with us all the time. It's a pretty incredible story that we were kind of dumped on him, and he never gave up on us, and he's a board member, and he's truly accessible, and he answers my calls, and he helps, and he's always there. Today, actually, I was walking down the hall, and I was frantic trying to find him, and I saw him heading in a direction, and I'm like, Dr. Seward, I need you to be in a session. And he's like, okay, sure, Donna, what do you need? Where am I going? When is it? 10 minutes ago. He's like, oh, okay, off he went. And he was like there in no time, sitting there doing a session. So it's amazing that he puts up with me, and he works with us. So we would like to actually have him come up here because we voted him the Doctor of the Year for 2010. We have another special gift to give out, and Elsie's going to help me do that one.
Hello everybody, good evening. I don't like speaking in public, but I actually asked to do this tonight because to me it's very important for Dr. Hall. I wanted to speak to him. I am the first person to open the protocol at the NIH. And I actually, the drug trial ended, and they called me. And I was very surprised, Dr. Paul. And I wanted you to know how grateful I am that you did the protocol for me. And I wanted you and the NIH to know how much I appreciated it. And when I heard that the protocol was closed, that night, instead of thinking of me, I thought of you. I said I wanted Dr. Coates to know that he did not let me down, and that I know that he, even though the protocol has ended, he's my dream maker. He's the person that is my dream maker, and you are my hope. So the protocol was my hope. You are my hope, and yet I is my hope. And I am so blessed to have you in my life. And this is presented to you.
Now he has his blanket to sleep with. So I know that all of the members here that have been watching our progress over the years have been watching us kind of working and having a relationship with an association that's very special to us. And it's very hard to get people to notice Hermansky-Pudlak syndrome. People, wherever we go, say, what is HPS? And, they have no idea what we are and what our problems are. But an organization that has truly helped us become known has given us opportunities beyond things that I could ever have wildly dreamt. And thinking about dreaming, this is a perfect night to appreciate the dreams that have come true. And it is 2010, the year of the lung. And I was thinking about celebrating special for us, even in our own organization. How can we celebrate and think about the year of the lung, 2010? So I was kind of bold and brazen and said, well, in the bottom of my heart, I'd like to celebrate it by thanking the American Thoracic Society. So I kind of was pretty bold and asked them and told them that we would like to give them an award. So they said yes, and I am really excited and pleased to present an award from us to the American Thoracic Society for changing our world. And I'd love Graham to come up and accept this award. The HPS helps the world breathe, and you certainly did it for us. And I couldn't believe he came. And Courtney's here. Thank you, Courtney, for everything you do for us. So we're going to do my favorite thing. We're going to eat again. Thanks.